Another successful run chase in a close encounter, and this makes the scoreline 10-1. 10th match being chased down over here in Rosemarg Navi Mumbai Premier League, and in the end it was Srimad Bhagwat Sanpada Scorpions who won this game by 1 wicket. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemarg NMPL Season 4, proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemarg NMPL, an outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Time to thank our sponsors. Title sponsor Rosemarg Limited, official streaming platform Waves ODT and DD Sports. Associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emerald Holding Groups, Copper Kerne Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Asset Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Bandar Lions, Move Moda Oroma Ventures Private Limited, Kalyan Tuskers, Zest, 1 point always. As we all know about the result, Scorpions won this game by 1 wicket. It is now time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we have got Mr. Sudhir Padiyar over here, the founder of Move. Then we have got Jasmine Singh, representative from Rosemarg Limited. First, can we have the captain from Tigers, Parikshit? Somewhere you felt that your batters did well to get to that target. I think the fielding once again let you down.
I felt 150 was good on this wicket. Ball was just turning, gripping a bit, it was stopping a bit. So we were looking to score something around 150, but we didn't score that.
After getting to that 132, things would have been more better if those 2 catches would have been taken off Chinmay and Sachin.
See, catches are part and parcel of the game. It's about coming back again and taking batsman's wicket again. But I think we did really well to restrict them to this score till 19th over.
As a captain, you would be happy the kind of character they showed. Your boys fought till the end in this game.
Yes, certainly. They really fought well. The intensity was very good on the field, and that's what I needed.
All the best for your future game. Time to call upon the winning captain, Chinmay. Chinmay, first the bowlers did well to restrict them to 132, and then you lost early wickets. Then you got a good partnership with Sachin.
Yeah, I think the bowlers did a really great job on this wicket because there was a bit of help on the wicket. It was a fresh wicket. So restricting them under 133 was really great effort by us. Heads off to our bowlers. And personally, I felt like while batting, we should have chased it with 4 to 5 wickets down, where I should have taken the responsibility there, but I got out at the end. But overall, it was, it's a positive result for us. So it's 3-3, and just looking forward for the next games now.
With 2 wickets in hand, 8 needed. What was going in the dugout? The heartbeat was going up and down?
So everyone was positive. We had faith in our players, and they showed it.
All the best for your future game. Well done. Now it is time to hand over the player of the match. The man who really bowled well. 4 overs, 1 maiden, 23 for 3 wickets. It is Ankit Vishwakarma. He'll be handed over the trophy over here by Mr. Sudhir Padiyar over here. Then a sunscreen over here from Zixa Strong and a nutrition from Sculptor Nutrition by Jasmine over here. Ankit. जिम्मेदारी बहुत थी और जिस तरीके से विकेट हेल्प कर रहा था आपने आज उसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाया।
हाँ, मैंने खुद पे से बिलीव किया और कोचेस ने मुझे बिलीव बोला कि तू कर सकता है, बस और कुछ नहीं।
और कप्तान ने क्या कहा आपको?
कप्तान ने बोला कि तू बिलीव कर और खेलते जा, हो जाएगा।
Well done, well bowled. That's a good performance from you. All the best for future games. So thank you for being over here. That is all from this post-match presentation.